Do you ever wonder how celebrity chefs manage to create snacks that are both healthy and delicious? What if I told you that you could make these high-protein snacks right at home? Today, we're diving into the world of celebrity chef high-protein snacks that will satisfy your taste buds and fuel your body. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Jessie, and today we're uncovering some amazing high-protein snack recipes. Straight from the kitchens of top celebrity chefs like Robert Irvine, Marion Getz, and Wolfgang Puck. Our first recipe comes from the incredible Robert Irvine, known for his delicious and nutritious meals. We're making his famous protein bars. These bars are packed with nuts, seeds, and a touch of honey for natural sweetness. Let's get started. Combine a cup of mixed nuts, half a cup of seeds, a quarter cup of honey, and a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Mix it all together until you have a sticky, delicious blend. Spread it out in a pan and let it chill in the fridge for about an hour. While our protein bars are setting, let's move on to a recipe from the beloved Marion Getz. She's got an amazing vegetarian high-protein snack, quinoa and black bean bites. These are perfect for a quick and healthy snack. Mix cooked quinoa, black beans, chopped bell peppers, and a sprinkle of cumin and chili powder. Form small patties and cook them in a skillet until they're golden brown on each side. These bites are not only high in protein, but also packed with fiber and flavor. Look at that sizzle, these are going to be a hit. Last but not least, a snack inspired by the culinary legend Wolfgang Puck. We're making his high-protein chicken salad. This one is simple yet incredibly tasty. Combine shredded chicken, Greek yogurt, diced celery, and grapes. Add a dash of salt and pepper and mix it all up. This salad is perfect to serve on whole grain crackers or a bed of fresh greens. There you have 3 incredible high-protein snacks inspired by your favorite celebrity chefs. Whether you're looking to stay fit, boost your energy, or simply enjoy delicious and healthy food, these recipes have got you covered. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes and healthy living tips. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.